Hey guys, in this video I'll show you to add cards inside your Google Wallet. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on vital information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, go ahead and open up your Google Wallet and it should look similar to this. So to add a payment card or a card to your Google Wallet, simply add payment card, click onto add payment card. And now what you want to do is to add a payment card by clicking on new credit or debit card to add to your wallet and your Google account. So give this a few moments to load. And now from here, scan your phone onto the credit card or debit card. If that doesn't work, you can enter in the details manually. So go ahead and click on enter details manually. And now what you want to do is add in your 16-digit card number here with the expiry date and the security code. And then from there, scroll down and then click on save and continue. Once that is done, your Visa, debit card or credit card will be added to your Google Wallet. If you want to add a loyalty card to your wallet, I'll show you how to do that. So head back and now click on add to wallet. So you got all these different options. So payment card, transfer card, loyalty, gift card, photo. So if you want to add in a loyalty card, click on loyalty card. And now choose which program or which loyalty program you want to add in. So for this demonstration, I'm going to add in a Qantas frequent flyer. And now again, scan that frequent card, or you can enter in the details manually. So I'm going to click on enter manually. And now type in your member ID and then click on add to wallet, and then that card has been added to your wallet. So that's it for this quick tutorial guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.